Hello everyone, I am Adam the Archivist, and I would like to welcome you to our channel's premiere video on archives. Please subscribe to get updated information from the channel. And please hit the like button if you enjoy this video. In this video, we will explore what archives are, the most commonly known forms of archives, and how you can create your very own archive. Let's get started. So what exactly is an archive? An archive is a place where records, documents, and other valuable historical information are stored and preserved. It's like a repository of knowledge that allows us to explore and learn from the past. Archives come in many forms, each serving a specific purpose. Here are some of the most commonly known forms of archives. Library archives. These are found in libraries and homes, manuscripts, photographs, and other written materials. They often specialize in preserving materials related to specific subjects or areas. Government archives. These archives preserve important documents related to the functioning of government, such as laws, official reports, and administrative records. Museum archives. Museums maintain archives that hold artifacts, photographs, and historical documents related to the objects in their collections. These archives help researchers and curators learn more about the items they display. Digital archives. In today's digital age, many archives exist online. These digital archives store electronic records, websites, multimedia content, and more, making historical information easily accessible worldwide. Now that we know what some forms an archive can take, let's talk about how you can create your own archive. Define your purpose. Decide what kind of archive you would want to create and the specific materials you want to collect. It could be anything from personal photographs to a collection of your favorite recipes. Organize and sort. Establish a system to categorize and organize your materials. Consider using folders, labels, or metadata to make it easier to find and retrieve items in the future. This can come in the forms of file organization in a file cabinet or how you sort your files on a hard drive. Preserve and protect. Take steps to ensure the longevity of your archive. Store physical items in acid-free containers. Use archival quality folders and sleeves, and make digital backups of electronic files on multiple media types. Digitize. If you have physical materials that can be digitized, such as photographs or documents, consider scanning or photographing them to create digital copies. This allows for easy access and helps safeguard against damage or loss. Share and document. Share your archive with others who may be interested in its contents. You can create a website, a blog, or use online platforms to share your digital archive. Additionally, document the context and details of each item to provide valuable information for future generations. Anyone can be a historian if you can archive materials properly. And that's it. Now you know what an archive is, the different forms they can take, and how to create your very own archive. So, go ahead and start preserving your memories and knowledge for the future. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to explore the fascinating world of archives. Remember, the past holds incredible stories and lessons that can guide us in the present and shape our future. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos of different archives and lists I have curated to share with the world. Until next time.